Hello, it's Mrs. Ernst here today, and today we are going to go over Tuesday's instructions. All right, so we have a special guest reader. This is Mr. Ernst's aunt, and she wanted to read a book to you guys. So I have this book right here that she's going to be reading to you guys. After you're done listening to her read, you're going to watch this episode about creating a draft of a persuasive writing, and then you're going to start working on your writing. Now, we are only doing the first box on this page on this day. We are not doing any above and beyond. We're just going step by step by step, okay? So as you can see in this little pop-up, you can see that first box that you're going to be putting in there, okay? So after that, you have your word wall song that you're going to review and the game with Mrs. Ernst. Sorry, I'm so used to calling myself Miss Carter. Called Say the Sound. So you're going to watch that video and play that game with me. We have art. Once again, we're finishing up Robot Week with Cassie Stephens. So we're going to watch that. And then we have Community Circle, which we have a Mojo video and a discussion sheet for you guys to go through. And please remember, this is just a time to talk about emotions and how we're feeling and building that relationship with our children, okay? Afterwards, we have practicing addition and subtraction games for you guys. This week, it's mainly going to be just practicing addition facts and subtraction facts. So what I've done, if you can see this link right here, this one is an addition game and this is a subtraction game. Now the great thing about this is if you click on the game and it takes you to the game, right here is a PDF worksheet. So if you wanted to do a paper copy, it's right here where you can download and print them. The other thing about these is this website, if you go to grades, hit kindergarten, you can see the skills. So you have addition skills that you can work on, and you have subtraction skills. And these are some of the skills that we work on in kindergarten is addition and subtraction. So you could pick any of these to do, okay? So this day I want you just to practice and practice, practice, practice. Okay, so do an addition problems, do subtraction problems, do addition, do subtraction. Okay, when you're done with that, please go do iStation Math or Prodigy for 30 minutes. Okay, this is Tuesday, so Prodigy does count towards your total. When you're doing Prodigy, I'm looking at, I can't see the time you're spending, I'm looking at how many questions you answered. Okay, so basically, if you answer 30 questions on Prodigy, I'm counting that as 30 minutes. If you answer 25 questions, I'm counting that as 25 minutes. So I'm looking at how many questions you answered. So don't take your time and rush through it, because please remember one thing about Prodigy is it tells me how many you got right out of how many you answered. Okay, so please take your time on that time frame. So Prodigy and iStation Math for 30 minutes. If you want to do iStation Math for 30 minutes and then Prodigy, that's fine. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, when you get on Prodigy, it's going to be set up to be asking you addition and subtraction problems. So those will be some extra practice on top of these questions right here. Okay, if you just want to do these two games and then go on, that's fine. I just would like you to at least play one of these games and then get on iStation or Prodigy, okay? Please remember, all my contact information is right here. Some of you have already been saved it on your phone and message me anytime you need me. That's perfectly fine. The one thing I'd like to kindly remind you guys is my time frame. I am available from 8 to 4. After that time, I am taking care of my family. And so I want to make sure that I take that time for my family. So if you contact me after 4 and I do not reply, please know that's the time I'm taking care of my family and taking some time to make sure I'm ready for tomorrow. And please know I will get back to you as soon as possible, okay? You guys have a great day, a fantastic Tuesday. Please remember, All instructions will be linked right here. Bye!